Use the breath. Now here, we're going to slowly step it back, straighten out through that front leg. We're going to send the hips over towards that left hand side, coming in a triangle. So maybe right hand to your hip, right hand to the thigh or the knee as that left arm lifts up. We're actively pressing into the feet. Now your gaze can be up, down at the foot, whatever feels best. Nice breath in. Let it go. We'll spin up onto those back toes. You can grab those blocks if you'd like. Straighten out through the right leg. Pull your right hip back and hinge forward over that front thigh. Nice gentle breath in. Open mouth, exhale, let it go. Good, one more breath in here. Exhale, let it go. Bend into that front knee.